नमस्ते दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सभी का डाइकास्ट मॉडल कलेक्टर 88 के एक और माइंड ब्लोइंग एपिसोड में। टुडे वी आर कमिंग स्ट्रेट फ्रॉम जापान इन द 90s. That is the 1996 Nissan 180SX Type X. This particular car basically paved the way for all the future generations of Japanese designs, if I can say properly. पीछे का एक टिपिकल जो एक full roof element hai, like the rear element which is part of the roof, and this big ass rear windscreen. So just amazing, typical 90s design of a classic Japanese car. And that's all I can say in the first impressions. Let me just quickly unbox this and show you what this thing is all about. And again, 179 की गाड़ी है, but क्यों 179 में नहीं मिलती? Because Hot Wheels की मार्केट में बहुत सॉलिड तरीके से कमी हुई पड़ी है, एंड व्हेन यू नो द सप्लाई इज लेस एंड द डिमांड इज मोर, द प्राइसेस गो रियली रियली हाई. सो वी हैव टू सफर, द कलेक्टर्स हैव टू सफर. एनीवेज, लेट्स अनबॉक्स दिस क्विकली. Okay, so I just simply love the shiny bottoms. Yeah, you heard that right. Shiny bottoms, all chromed out, very nicely done, made in Malaysia, model T23 Nissan 180SX Type X. And let's start with the first side. बहुत अच्छे से detailing दी हुई है साइड में. There are sides wheels. The wheels are white in color. Nice, very nice. The blue car, white wheels, and the front. Oh, there is chrome. Even the headlamps are a little bit open, like the flaps are open, but there are no visible lights inside. No indicators, no nothing, no detailing of that sort. Hot Wheels really has died down when it comes to detailing. पहले का ज़माना वैसा नहीं रहा. I might sound old, but when I was a kid, बॉस क्या डिटेल होती थी हॉट व्हील्स की. इवन दरवाजे खुलते थे उसके. आप बोलेंगे अभी भी तो खुलते हैं, लेकिन वो बहुत महंगे होते हैं भैया. पहले बहुत सस्ते हुआ करते थे. मुझे याद है, मैं कुछ 49 रुपीज़ में हॉट व्हील्स खरीदता था पहले. 49 रुपीज़ में. Just imagine, man. Good old days. ऐसे नहीं बोलते. Well, this is the rear of the car. 180SX की badging in the center. Nicely done tail lamps and chrome pipes. Oh ho, chrome pipes. क्या बात है. With a nice spoiler. I just love the design. The design is classic, timeless, and just like the old Ferrari Testarossas and all, this definitely holds a value. Like, the design is beautiful, lovely. I just lovely. There are no words which I can justify कि इसमें क्या खराबी है क्या नहीं है. Beautiful design, man. I just love this car. What about you? Please put your comments down below. Let me know what you feel about the 180SX from Nissan. And this will go straight to my Instagram profile as well. So make sure you follow it. तब तक like, share and subscribe to Diecast Model Collector 88. And I'll see you very soon in the next episodes. Love you all. Bye-bye.